Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. আজকে আমরা কিছু কমন ইংলিশ ওয়ার্ডের সঠিক উচ্চারণ শিখতে চলেছি। Okay, let's get started. The first one is cow. It is not cow. It is cow. I repeat, it is cow. The second one is animal. It is not animal. It is animal. I repeat, it is animal. The third one is table. It is not table. It is table. I repeat, it is table. The fourth one is pencil. It is not pencil. It is pencil. I repeat, it is pencil. The fifth one is tape. It is not tape. It is tape. I repeat, it is tape. Okay, বন্ধুরা, thank you so much. আজকে এইটুকুই। Thank you. টাটা।